The latest 3.0 development version of Kiri Moto includes a new feature to repair meshes that are not manifold. It's relatively new code. You will recognize situations like this where it doesn't appear to slice properly. The cause of that is, again, these non-manifold meshes. And if you look at this mesh here, we can see that in this area down here, it isn't fully closed off. It's easier to see this way. You shouldn't be able to see through there. This should be closed up. Heal meshes, right click on the workspace, heal meshes, it'll say object healed, and let's go back and reslice it again. That should have fixed this situation. At least visually it has, and we can verify with the slicing that in fact it is slicing properly now. You can also use the export feature to export the healed object. So you can now, in some limited situations, use Kiri Moto to repair non-manifold meshes. It's new code, just written. I'm sure it has some corner cases that don't work. Please test it out with your objects and let me know. Give me some feedback. Send me the objects that aren't working with this so I can check it out with the code. Hope you enjoy. Look forward to your feedback. Thank you.